Hello, my dear students. Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to the online lecture of GK, General Knowledge. Let's continue our lesson number 6, Fun with Sports. Today we will see part 3. I hope I am audible to everyone. Okay, I will be sharing my screen with. Let's start. Today we will see the logos related to the sports, and also we will identify some images of well-known football players. So let's start. And I hope you are having your workbook with you. If you have, open GK lesson number 6 on with sports, page number 24, and we will see 25. So once again, my dear students, a warm welcome to all of you to the online lecture of general knowledge, that is GK. We will see lesson number 6, Fun with Sports, part 3. Sports pertains to any form of competitive physical activity or game that aims to use, maintain, or improve physical ability and skills while providing enjoyment to participants and, in some cases, entertainment to the spectators. So let's start with logos related to the sports. So we will see some logos which are related to the sports. So let's start with the first one. Olympic Games, as you can see in your workbook as well as on my screen. On your screen as well, rings are there. So these logos are related to the Olympic Games. The Summer Olympic Games, also known as the Games of the Olympiad, are major international multi-sport event normally held once every 4 years. So here we can see the Olympic Games, the Summer Olympic Games, also known as the Games of the Olympiad, are major international multi-sport event normally held once every 4 years. So recently we have seen it was held in Tokyo. Summer Olympic Games was held recently in Tokyo. And our Indians also have won many gold medals. So the games were first held in 1896 in Athens, Greece, and were most recently the 2020 Summer Olympics held in 2021 in Tokyo, Japan. So here we can see the Olympic Games, which was most recently held in 2021 in Tokyo, Japan. So this Olympic Games includes basketball, archery, athletics, shooting, swimming, and many more. So we have seen the Olympic Games, which are held every 4 years. Recently, the 2020 Summer Game Olympic was held in the year 2020 due to, you can see, the coronavirus pandemic. So it was postponed. It was held this year only in the year 2021 in the Tokyo, Japan. Moving to the next logo is the FIFA World Cup. So the FIFA World Cup 2018. The FIFA World Cup of 10, simply called the World Cup, is an international association football competition contested by the senior men's national teams of the members of the Federation International Day Football Association. So the full form of FIFA is Federation International Day Football Association. Once again, I'm repeating the FIFA. The full form of FIFA is Federation Internationale de Football Association. So the sports global governing body, the championship. So senior men's national teams of the members of the Federation Internationale de Football Association, that is FIFA, the sports global governing body. The championship is being awarded every 4 years since the inaugural tournament in 1930. Means it was started in 1930, and the current champions is the France, which won its second title at the 2018 tournament in Russia. So the FIFA World Cup of 2018 was won by France, which was held in Russia. So as you can see, the current championship of FIFA World Cup was won by the France, and France, which was held in Russia. The FIFA World Cup held in Russia. So the champions were France team, who won the second title at the 2018 tournament in Russia. So we have seen the FIFA World Cup. The FIFA World Cup, often simply called the World Cup, is an international association football competition contested by the senior men's national teams. Moving to the next is the 18th Asian Games 2018. It is the 18th Asian Games 2018. As you can see the logo, it is of 18th Asian Games 2018. The 2018 Asian Games, officially known as Jakarta Palembang 2018, was continental multi-sport event that was held from 18 August to 2nd September 2018 in Jakarta and Palembang. So 18th Asian Games 2018 was is also known as the Jakarta Palembang 2018, was continental multi-sport event that was held from 18 August to 2nd September 2018 in Jakarta and Palembang, and these games includes such as swimming, water polo, archery, boxing, and cycling. So the 18th Asian Games 2018 includes these following sports such as swimming, water polo, archery, boxing, cycling, and many more are held. Moving to the next logo is the 2016 ICC World 2020. So 2016 ICC World 2020. The 2016 ICC World 2020 was the sixth edition of the ICC. ICC full form is International Cricket Council. Once again, I'm repeating, ICC full form is International Cricket Council. So the ICC 2020, the World Championship of 2020, is a cricket game, cricket sport. It was held on 8 March to 3rd April 2016 and was the first edition to be hosted by India. So ICC was hosted by India. ICC World T20 World Cup of 2016 was hosted by India. So the 2016 ICC World 2020 final was played at the Eden Gardens in Kolkata on 3rd April 2016 to determine the winners of the 2016 ICC World 2020 between England and the West Indies. So that these two teams were playing the finals of 2016 ICC World Cup, West Indies and England. So between these two, the West Indies won the match by 4 wickets, thus becoming the first team to win the ICC World 2020 twice. So the 2016 ICC World 2020 final was played at the Eden Garden, which is in Kolkata, on the date 3rd April 2016 to determine the winners of the 2016 ICC World 2020 between England and the West Indies. So the West Indies won the match by 4 wickets, thus becoming the first team to win the ICC World 2020 twice, second time. Okay, moving to the next is the Asian Para Games 2014. So here we can see the Asian Para Games was held in 2014. The 2014 Asian Para Games, also known as the second Asian Para Games, was an Asian disabled multi-sport event held in Incheon, South Korea. So these Asian Para Games are of the handicapped people. Yes, all of you know the disabled people which cannot see, who cannot hear, or who is handicapped by legs. And so these Asian Para Games are held for them. And the 2014 Asian Para Game was also known as the second Asian Para Games, and it was held in Incheon, South Korea. This was the first time South Korea hosted this game. So this was the first time the South Korea hosted the Asian Para Games the year 2014. The Asian Para Games, also known as Para Asiad, is a multi-sport event regulated by the Asian Paralympic Committee that's held every 4 years after every Asian Games for the athletes with physical disabilities. So such games played by the sports person are wheelchair basketball. Then next we can see the wheelchair rugby, then wheelchair tennis, and many more games are played by these disabled people. So these sports person which are disabled, so I hope I am audible to everyone. Okay, then let's continue. So this Asian Para Games 2014, which is also known as the second Asian Para Games, was an Asian disabled multi-sport event held in Incheon, South Korea. And these games include wheelchair basketball, wheelchair rugby, and wheelchair tennis. Moving to the next is the Wimbledon Tennis Championship. As you can see the logo of the Wimbledon Tennis Championship. The championships of Wimbledon, commonly known as Wimbledon or the Championship, is the oldest tennis tournament in the world and is widely regarded as the most prestigious. So here you can see the Wimbledon Tennis Championship, commonly known as the Wimbledon or the Championships, is the oldest tennis tournament in the world and is widely regarded as the most prestigious. 2021 Wimbledon is one of the four Grand Slam tennis tournaments, the others being the Australian Open, the French Open, and the US Open. Wimbledon is the only major still played on grass, which is the traditional tennis playing surface. So this Wimbledon ground is full of grass. The people play on this ground. So fun fact about this logos and sport is that sports command the biggest television audiences led by the Summer Olympics, World Cup soccer, and Formula One racing. So there are a huge number of fans which watch this sports. So the sports command the biggest television audiences led by the Summer Olympics, World Cup soccer, and the Formula One racing. Moving to the next page, you can see page number 25. On that, you have to identify the images of some well-known football players. So today we will see some well-known football players. Let's start with the first one, Lionel Messi. So here you can see the well-known football players. Lionel Messi was born on 24 June 1987. He is an Argentine professional football player who plays as a forward for League One club Paris Saint-Germain and captains the Argentina national team. So as here you can see Lionel Messi, the well-known football player who was born on 24th June 1987, is an Argentine professional football player who plays a forward for League One club Paris Saint-Germain and also captains the Argentina national team. So here you can see Lionel Messi, the famous football player from Argentina. An Argentine international, Messi is both his country's highest appearance maker and their all-time leading goal scorer at youth level. And he won the 2005 FIFA World Youth Championship, finishing the tournament with both the golden ball and the golden shoe and an Olympic gold medal at the 2008 Summer Olympics. So here we can see Lionel Messi is an Argentine international and Messi is both his country's highest appearance maker and their all-time leading goal scorer. At youth level, he won the 2005 FIFA World Youth Championship, finishing the tournament with both the golden ball and golden shoe and an Olympic gold medal at the 2008 Summer Olympics. So here we have seen Lionel Messi, the Argentina football player. Moving to the next is Diego Maradona. So Diego Maradona was born on 30th October 1960, was an Argentine professional football player and manager. So Diego Maradona was born on 30th October 1960, was an Argentine professional football player as well as manager, widely regarded as one of the greatest players in history of the sport. He was one of two joint winners of the FIFA Player of the 20th Century Award. So, Diego Maradona is an Argentine player, is from Argentina and very famous football player, and he was the greatest player in the history of the sport. He was one of the two joint winners of the FIFA Player of the 20th Century Award. In his international career with Argentina, he earned 91 caps and scored 34 goals. Maradona played in 4 FIFA World Cups, including the 1986 World Cup in Mexico, where he captained Argentina and led them to victory over West Germany in the final and won the Golden Ball as a tournament's best player. So, in his international career with Argentina, he earned 91 caps and scored 34 goals. Maradona played in 4 FIFA World Cups, including the 1986 World Cup in Mexico, where he captained the Argentina team and led them to the victory. Means they won the World Cup and also over West Germany in the final and won the Golden Ball as the tournament's best player. Maradona became the coach of Argentina's national football team in November 2008. So he has also became the coach of Argentina's national football team in November 2008. So this was Diego Maradona, famous football player from Argentina. Moving to the next football player, Zinedine Yazid Zidane. So here's Zinedine Yazid Zidane was born on 23rd June 1972, popularly known as Zizou, is a French former professional football player who played as an attacking midfielder. He most recently coached Real Madrid and is one of the most successful coaches in the world. So here you can see Zinedine Yazid Zidane, who is from France, a French former professional footballer who played as an attacking midfielder, and he was most recently recently coached the Real Madrid football team and is one of the most successful coaches in the world. So here we have seen Zinedine Zidane. Our next football player, Pele. His real name was Edson Arantes do Nascimento. So Pele's real name is Edson Arantes do Nascimento, known as Pele, is a Brazilian former professional football player. So Pele, Edson Arantes do Nascimento, who is known as Pele, is a Brazilian former professional football player regarded as one of the greatest players of all the time and labeled the greatest, and he was labeled as the greatest by FIFA. He was among the most successful and popular sports figure of the 20th century, and he was born on 23rd October 1940 in Brazil. So here we have seen Pele, the famous football player from Brazil, and his real name was Edson Arantes do Nascimento, popularly known as Pele. So he was the Brazilian professional footballer. He was from Brazil. Yes, all-time favorite player, David Beckham. Mostly all of you know his name. David Beckham was born on 2nd May 1975. Is an English former professional footballer. He played for Manchester United. David Beckham played for Manchester United, Preston North End, Real Madrid, and he is the first English player to win league titles in four countries: England, Spain, the United States, and the France. So here we can see that David Beckham, who is an English former professional football player, and he played for Manchester United, Preston North End, Real Madrid, and he is the first English player to win the league titles in four countries, that is England, Spain, the United States, and the France. So here's David Beckham, the football player from England. Yes, one more famous person, Cristiano Ronaldo. Cristiano Ronaldo was born on 5th February 1985. Is a Portuguese professional football player who plays a forward for Premier League club Manchester United and captains for the Portugal national. So here's Cristiano Ronaldo is a Portuguese player, football player, and who plays a forward for Premier League club Manchester United and captains for Portugal national. Ronaldo has won 5 Ballon d'Or awards and 4 European Golden Shoes. So here's the famous football player Cristiano Ronaldo. So my dear students, we have seen the famous football players today as well as the logos related to the sports. Do you know Do you know that the 5 rings of Olympic represents the 5 major regions of the world, that is Africa, America, Europe, Asia, and Oceania. Every national flag in the world includes one of the 5 colors, which from left to right are blue, yellow, black, green, and red. So here you can see the 5 rings of Olympic represent the 5 major regions of the world, that is Africa, America, Europe, Asia, and Oceania. Every national flag in the world includes one of the 5 colors, which is from left to right. You can see the blue, yellow, black, green, and the red. So here's the Olympic ring. The 5 rings of Olympic represent the 5 major regions of the world, from Africa, America, Europe, Asia, and the Oceania. So thank you, my dear students. I hope you understood the lesson. So, my dear students, today we have seen the last part of lesson number 6. We have seen the logos related to the sports. In the logos, firstly, we have seen the Olympic Games, the 5 rings of Olympic Games. Then next, we have seen the FIFA World Cup, 18th Asian Games 2018. Next, we have seen the 2016 ICC World 2020. Next, Asian Para Games 2014, the Wimbledon Tennis Championship. So, the sports logos we have seen, and also we have seen the famous, well-known and famous football players. First one we have seen the Lionel Messi, then we have seen Diego Maradona, next we have seen Zinedine Zidane, next Pele, David Beckham, and lastly we have seen Cristiano Ronaldo. So I have completed my lesson as well as my portion. Now, if you have any doubt, you can ask me related to this lesson. Lesson number 6, fun with sports. We have seen this. It's a sporty affair. In that, we have seen game sports such as shooting, cycling, ice hockey, still rings, gymnastics, archery, then water polo. Then next we have seen the sports persons with their respective sports. We have seen Jiv Milkha Singh, who is the famous golf player, Dhyan Chand, the famous hockey player, Vijay Amrit,